Hi, good morning and happy new year. I am testing out this new Detox cleanse powder. And I wanted to share it with you just because I think it's got some really great ingredients for detoxing, and I'm always trying new things to see if it's gonna be beneficial for me so that I can share it with my community. And I love that it has spirulina in it. That's great for detoxing. And you can see this super cleanse. And it's got beetroot, milk thistle, dandelion leaf. So it's got like these really great ingredients for detoxing, right? But what I didn't see when I was grabbing it, because I just saw it was sweetened with monk fruit, which is what I use for a sweetener when I do my my cleanse, and I put people on spirulina and some other ingredients to kind of really grab the toxins and pull it out of, fat cells, fatty tissues, organs. The toxins like to hide in your brain and your gut and things like that. And I put a little bit in here, right? And I add water, and I use one of those little thingies to get it mixed up. But it's got stevia in it and agave. And yes, it's organic agave, but it's really sweet. So I'll keep this short and sweet for you guys, but I probably wouldn't recommend this. I don't like this stevia. It's really, really sweet. If you don't mind it though, it's a pretty good detox cleanse. So you want to help your body's natural detoxification processes. It could be helpful. But if you really, really want to cleanse, I am doing another live cleanse starting January 24th. I would love for you to join. Just check out the link that I left in the description. It's got all the information that you need. I did one in October and had really great results, a really great group doing it, and a lot of people have already signed up already. So you'll have support. You'll have 7 guided practices every day. A very simple, very gentle whole foods cleanse that's easy to follow. So if you need a plan and just want to stick with something, you'll love this. And you also get to eat. It's 3 meals and 2 snacks a day. And we'll be using our blender a lot to make smoothies and juices and sauces and dips and all kinds of different things that will help you use your blender more, that have specific ingredients that's going to help your body to cleanse and detoxify and really get you kick-started for, healthier eating habits. I don't have, weight loss New Year's resolutions. I know a lot of my clients do and a lot of people do, but maybe by then you'll be ready to try the cleanse. So keep doing what you're doing now. I hope that you are on track to have a beautiful January. Thanks for watching, and I would love for you to join for the cleanse. So I'll be popping in here and doing some more fun recipes over the next couple of weeks, kind of gearing up for our live cleanse. And I look forward to answering any questions that you might have. Feel free to leave them in the comments. Check out the link in the description if you want to learn more, and I hope to see you. Again, just so you know, when you get my Blender Cleanse program, you get access to it for life. You also get the VIP access, so you'll get to join all of the live cleanses I have. I usually do 1 to 2 per year. So first one's coming up soon in January 24th, and I hope to see you there. So have a beautiful day.